So many teachers have been wondering how to turn a PDF into a fillable worksheet, or maybe a photo of something into a fillable worksheet. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use one tool that replaces the ability to do what Cami does, and you don't have to use quite as many steps as you do if you were going through Google Docs to transform a PDF into a fillable worksheet. Okay? So if you have a Word document or you need something transposed into another form, I Love PDF is a great website, and there are many options, as you can see, of what you can convert. So you do need a PDF for this, not a JPEG, okay, or a PNG. It's actually a PDF, which is nice because many of our worksheets are. Where the magic happens in this process is PDFescape, and it's absolutely free. And you're going to upload your PDF. I'm going to choose my file. This is an assignment I have students do with parts of speech and their vocab words. So now we've got our PDF in here. This right here, this is the box you're looking for. And if you select text, it's going to be a short answer response, their name, a title. So I'm going to select that, and all you do is click and create a box. And you could write type name here, and that way they know to type their name there. I'm going to drag it for the date as well, and you can write type date here. You don't have to, but if students aren't aware that they can be writing in there or typing in there, that might be a good guide. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same for each of these because I have them label each of these boxes. So I'm just going to write enter label here. And I'll drag it here. And you could write type here without being so obvious, you know. So I'm going to put type here. And type here. Now when you go to give them the opportunity to write more, they're going to need more space. So we go back to form field, and instead of just text, you're going to click on text paragraph, text, and click select. And now this entire space here, they will be able to write in. So I'm going to say list words here. And the same. And you don't have to keep clicking. This is engaged. Whoops. Sorry. The tool remains engaged until you change it. So you click in the box. Whatever you feel is appropriate for your students, if they need that guidance or not. Now, what we're going to do, we have our spaces filled in where we want them to type, and we are going to go to save. And you can also save and download PDF, and you can print it. Actually, I'm going to save and download PDF. And it popped up right down here. And now they can enter their labels, and they're not movable boxes. In some of the methods that I've seen, they can actually move the text boxes on accident, and then it creates a mess. So it's pretty cool. And then they can just go ahead and save it and then upload it. So there you go. That's how you make a fillable worksheet out of a PDF.